Hi all, it's Jack from Preact here, and today we're going to be taking a look at one of our new solutions, Visual Grids. If we take a look at my contact subgrid here, we can see that instead of seeing the normal rows of text, we can see images with the contact's names underneath. For this, we're using the photo that's added on the related record. If we click into Ryan that does not currently have a photo, we can see that he does not have a photo on the related record. To add a photo, we simply click on the icon and upload an image. Once this has been uploaded, he will appear in the subgrid with a photo. This doesn't just work on contacts either, and we can add this to any subgrid in your system. Some other examples of where this could be used are products on a quote, members working on a project, or competitors listed on a lead. The Visual Grid solution is one of our many solutions available through the Preact Solution Hub and is available as part of our all-inclusive managed service contract, Elevate 365, or through our dedicated Solutions for 365 subscription. If you would like any more information on this solution or any of our other solutions, please do not hesitate to get in touch. And please give this video a like if you've enjoyed it, and make sure you're subscribed to Preact to see more of our videos about Dynamics 365 and the Power Platform in the future.